Is that fun? What are you gonna do today? Huh? What are you gonna do today? What are you gonna do today, Jaden? Are you gonna play? Are you gonna poop your pants? Are you gonna feed? Are you gonna go to mom's groups with mommy? Oh, buddy. What else? What else are you gonna do today, little guy? Huh? What are you gonna do today? Are you gonna have some fun? Are you gonna have some fun, little guy? Are you gonna hang out with mommy? You and mommy gonna have some fun? Huh, buddy? Huh, buddy?